Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix this PC is not showing in navigation pane on File Explorer in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix this PC is not showing in navigation pane on File Explorer in Windows 11 computer. First of all, open File Explorer and look here in my computer. This PC is not showing in navigation pane on File Explorer. To fix this issue, click on three dot icon to show more and then click on Options. In Folder Options, go to View tab and scroll down. Under Navigation pane, you will find the last option, Show this PC. Now it's not selected. Just select Show this PC and then click on Apply, and now click on OK and go to navigation pane on File Explorer and look, now this PC is showing on File Explorer in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.